What's up guys, day 5 of our Croatia trip.
It gets so sad when you count down.
We're gonna start counting down because we only have 9 days here. So today we're off to...
Oh, I can't say it.
Called Plitvicke National Park. And it's about an hour and a half drive away.
Yeah, so we're supposed to leave at 5:30 to get there by 7 because it opens at 7. But the past few days have been so freaking tiring.
Full on.
They start so early in the morning and they finish so late. I couldn't get up this morning. We're still body smashed. We're still very, very sore from canyoning. And yesterday I thought it'd be a relaxing day, but we were running through KRKA National Park to get the last bus. We made it by about 2 minutes to spare. Oh, it was painful. We just decided to be a bit late today. Hopefully we still skip the tourist buses. Our Airbnb hostess suggested a really beautiful beach. It's called Nin Beach. And yeah, we love Zadar so much that we actually have a ticket to go into Plitvicke tomorrow. But we don't want to go yet. We want to stay an extra night. Chilly. Matt and I dressed for the beach because we're going there later today. When we left Zadar, it was quite hot already in the morning. We got warned about like when you go towards the mountains, it's going to be a little bit cold. I forgot my cardigan. Matt left his in the car, so he's lucky. We even have thongs. Hopefully we walk these trails with the thongs.
Okay, what's up guys? We're up at Plitvicke National Park and I just spilled coffee on my pants.
Yes, have your coffee.
We have 2 or 3 hours here because we want to get
by
choice because we want to get to the beach. We were recommended to take the E trail, which is about 2 or 3 hours long. You walk about 10 minutes to get onto a boat. You tour the upper lakes, which is apparently the best lakes to look at while you're here. While you're here at Plitvicke Lakes, it's actually lakes.
Yeah.
There's a 1 hour walk up to the top and then a train back, and that should be about 2 or 3 hours. We're just starting the trail now. We're on that 10-minute walk to get onto the boat.
It's been an easy walk so far.
Oh yeah, easy walk.
Yeah.
Guys, this place is actually really amazing. I cannot believe how clear the water is. Like you can just see straight through to the bottom. It's amazing. It's like this everywhere in this national park. Everywhere we've looked where there's water, it's as clear as this.
Wow.
And there's just random waterfalls everywhere.
Yeah.
It's awesome. Almost stuck at getting some footage.
You don't need
I think I lost the toe now. So good news is my toe's not bleeding, although it's a little bit scuffed. That's okay.
Pretty sure those nails can like survive anything.
So
Where the wild things at?
because the things that have really strong nails.
He does.
And
these are tools. These are tools that are as thick as like 2 of my nails put together. I have strong nails too.
The other day, I was catching the drone, propeller hit my finger, and I was telling Kirsten, I'm like, oh man, first time my finger got hit by the propeller, check out my nail. And she was like, how's the propeller? So it's just a running joke between us.
Yeah, so amazing. Oh, this is so good. are really tired tonight, so we just ate out at Mr. Crab. It was like literally 80 meters from our apartment. Listen to this crunch. Hey guys, our ferry wasn't at 7 o'clock this morning. It was actually 5 p.m. today.
My bad.
Luckily we asked our Airbnb hostess if we can stay longer and she said yes, which is really good because then we got to sleep in this morning. Now we're refreshed and ready to pick up our GoPro mount, which we forgot in the car yesterday. We're heading to Pula tonight. It'll be a 5-hour ferry ride. Just gonna have a look at Old Town now. Lucky we have a spare half day today because we get to actually explore Old Town and see what it looks like during the day, because we would do so much during the day that we'd only get back at night and see everything at night. So it'd be nice to have a look around. Guys at home, I'm about to call you soon. Just gonna wait for our Uber and then I'll call you guys in like 20 minutes.
Yeah.
Okay. False alarm. We're really tan right now. Sunscreen and oiled up because we can't, you know, get more darker than this.
It's been amazing.
So
Definitely need to hire a car in Croatia. So much easier to hire a car, it's not too expensive. About $100 Aussie a day.
But it's worth it because you get to go around the coastal area, do things yourself, discover beaches that no one really talks about because it's not part of a tour group.
Yeah.
Istria, we're planning to go truffle hunting.
This morning we literally booked a hotel and then we ended up just staying at the hotel for the 3 nights. And then we're just going to do day trips out from there.
It actually changed because we were supposed to stay in Revenge. We decided Pula was the best bet because of the time we're coming in.
Yeah. We will catch you guys later.
Bye. Trying to find something to eat.
5 wells. 4.4 stars, 272 reviews, also recommended by our local Airbnb host.
Can I type? Hello. Oh, cute.
Smiling for the camera.
How was it? What is it? Hold on, wait. You're on our video. What is it? Hello. Did you get a haircut, Izzy? We're at 5 Wells. We got recommended by our Airbnb hostess, so we decided to give it a go today. Might need to do it from this side though.
Yeah, like the ones at Cafe Concert.
Yeah, did you like them?
Yeah. Look at that, look. Just need to get a refund for our ferry tickets that didn't come. Got my refund.
Yeah.
We're off to the airport. Just want to see if we can check in online, and then if we can, we can go grab a beer, drink our sorrows away. No. So it actually wasn't that bad. We probably paid an extra, $80 from this experience, but it's Croatia. That's what everyone keeps saying. It's like, you're not allowed to park here, but it's Croatia. Our flight is at 10:30 roughly, which is actually only 5 minutes later than when the ferry was going to get there. The ferry is going to take 6 hours.
It's 5 o'clock and we should be on a ferry right now. But not only do we think that our ferry was this morning at 7 o'clock. Apparently the boat didn't come because of the weather conditions. I didn't mind that, like it was fine. I just think there should have been a bit more communication with their reception or their admin, because we just wasted a whole day in Zadar doing nothing, just waiting, packing up my Airbnb, where we could have gone to the beach, done something. Really, it's crazy because we wanted to originally stay one night in Zadar because we loved it so much. But it's like we can what usual, right?
Yeah. Oh, it's all good. We're on our way. We're gonna go to a bar.
I'm gonna watch one last sunset.
Watch one last sunset here and head to the airport. It worked out. At least we don't waste a day. I mean, these things happen. So we're here at the airport now. It's 8:30. We wanted to come nice and early, just in case, you know, the Uber didn't come or whatever problems we might face. But we're here nice and early, 2 hours before check-in. Yeah, just waiting for check-in time now.
I think you got that from Zadar. Can you give it back, please? I can't take that on the flight with you.
I have to declare this as sexy goods. We landed